Hello. In this video, we will see how an department or an HR person will be using the mobile application. So first, we will log in with the user credentials. So this is the home page wherein like we once the head of a department or an HR person will log in, and this will redirect you on the dashboard page. So on the top we will be able to see the entire attendance of the present day. So total employees will be reflected in T. P will reflect the present, wherein like A will reflect the absent, then the L will reflect the leave, WO will reflect the week off, and the HD will reflect the half day. Below that, like we have multiple tabs, wherein like in the about option we'll be able to check about the details of of the company. Then claim, wherein like we are in the process of in the claim, so it will show us like coming soon. Then under the leave tab, we'll be able to see the leave applications and all the basic details for the leave. So if you want to request a leave, or if you want to request a leave, you can go to the request leave. Under the apply leave, you'll be able to check the leave of all the employees who have applied. So you just have to select the date and the month, and then you'll be able to get the discount. Under approved leave, you'll be able to check the details of the leave which are approved. Under the balance, you'll be able to check the leave balance. Like you will be able to check the Then we have the pending leave option. So being an HOD or an HR person, if you want to check the pending leave, here you'll be able to check the details of all the leave, all the employees who has applied for the leave. So from here you can approve or reject. You can just select the name of that person. You can, if you want to approve the leave, you can approve that, or you can cancel that leave as well. Now once the leave has been approved, you will be able to see the details, like if they have requested to cancel the leave, they can check under the request. You have the cancel leave. Here you will be able to check the leave details of the cancel, and those who have canceled the leave, you will be able to check that. So this is on the leave page. You'll be able to check. Then you have the attendance section. So this attendance section will be used, can be for the employees who are doing the field job. So if they want to punch in the attendance, they can. It will show us the location on which they have done the punch in and the time. So here it will show you on the Google Maps, which location you are. And if the location is not getting refreshed, we'll be clicking on the direction page, and then it will give you the exact location which you're currently at. Then the employee can click on punch attendance. Then they can select like if it is an in or if it is an out. Then you write down the details, and then you click on save. As soon as you click on save, it will open the selfie mode. So once you click on the selfie mode, like once you click on save, you will get a notification attendance has been saved successfully. So in this way, the employee who are on the field, they can take the attendance, and the concerned person will be able to get the details of that attendance along with the location. Then you have the change password. Like if you want to change the password, here you can change the password. Then under that logout tab, if you want to log out from the application, you can log out. Now on the left side, we can see the drop down. So here you will be able to see your name with your employee ID. Then you'll be able to, under the birthday tab, you will be able to see the today and upcoming birthdays. If you want to check the work anniversary, you'll be able to check the work anniversary as well. If you want to check your profile, you can check, I mean, with department, the joining date and all, your profile as well. Then under the report section, you can check the daily attendance. Today, my team attendance, monthly attendance, and salary slip. Now, you being an head of the department or an HR or from the management team, you'll be able to see all this four of option. In case if you want to check the daily attendance of the employee, you can check under daily attendance. You'll be able to check the daily attendance in this way. Then if you want to take any attendance, like let's take for some of the employees are not having any Android or a smartphone, and if you want to take the attendance on behalf of someone, then you can go to today my team attendance. So the people who are under your team will be reflected over here, wherein you can just select them and you can take the attendance. Then you have the monthly attendance. If you want to check the monthly attendance, you can select the month and the name of the person to whom for whom you want to check the attendance, and you can get that. Then you have the salary slip. If you want to get the salary slip of the concerned month, you can select that month and you can get the salary slip. For those months whose salary is not been generated or not been uh, created, their salary slip won't be generated and they won't be able to view. Now, as soon as you click on get down a salary slip, it would be downloaded on your mobile phone, as well as you can see it on the screen as well. So this is the report section, and then you have the announcement. So if any management has announced has to do some announcement, they'll be able to do it from the announcement tab. So you will be able to check the announcement accordingly. Then you have the team attendance. Again, like if you want to take the attendance of your team members, you can take from under team attendance. And then you have the clear server setting. In case like if you want to make some changes, like if there are changes made in your server or the URL, you can click on clear server setting. And then we have help. In case if you have any issues or any you require any help through your mobile application, you can just mention it over here and we will receive the notification through WhatsApp and we can assess that accordingly. So this is the mobile application. Like from in this way, like you can operate manage the through mobile application as well. Thank you.